Hey everyone, so hope you guys are doing good. I know I haven't been posting on YouTube a lot, um, but you guys might have read my blogs. So I'm right now focusing more on writing, and I also had the Azure exam last weekend. So I'm glad that I cleared it. It was the AZ-104 Azure Administrator. It was pretty tough, I would say that, as compared to especially the AWS associate level exams. Um, and that's just my opinion, but I found it harder than the AWS ones, and it could be because I had been working in AWS for almost 2 years now, and I don't have any kind of Azure experience as in regards to like work experience. So that could be the factor there. But yeah, apart from that, I had a box that was shipped from System76, the guys who built PopOS. And yeah, let's check it out what it has in it. So let's dive right into the video.